In 2026, these tiny action cameras are packing full-frame sensors and cinematic colors that were impossible just 2 years ago. But with so many brands claiming to have the best stabilization and the highest resolution, you need something that's actually indestructible, waterproof, and captures perfect 8K footage every single time. Today, I've tested the newest models from GoPro, DJI, and Insta360 to see which one is the true king of image quality. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best action cameras of 2026. I've selected the best options for every budget and every type of creator. Stick around for my #1 pick because it's a total game changer for cinematic video. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. So let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is the AKASO Brave 7 LE, a budget-friendly action camera that delivers impressive value for casual adventures and outdoor use. This camera is built for all-weather shooting. It comes with IPX7 water resistance, so it can handle rain, snow, and splashes without an extra case. And if you attach the included waterproof housing, you can dive down to 131 feet, making it great for swimming, surfing, and snorkeling. One feature that really stands out at this price is the dual screen setup. You get a front-facing color screen for selfies and vlogging, along with a 2-inch rear touchscreen for settings and playback. Just note that you can't use both at the same time. In terms of performance, it can record 4K video at 30 frames per second and capture 20 megapixel photos. While it's not the sharpest 4K on this list, the quality is more than good enough for YouTube videos, travel content, and casual action shots. For stabilization, it uses 6-axis EIS 2.0. It's not as strong as DJI or GoPro, but it reduces shake well enough for walking, biking, and light action shots. You also get plenty of extra features, including built-in Wi-Fi, remote control support, time-lapse, burst mode, digital zoom, and 2 included batteries, which is a big bonus at this price. Of course, there are some compromises. Low light performance is weak, and the stabilization can't compete with premium brands like DJI or GoPro. Image quality is good for the price, but not professional level. Priced at around $139 on Amazon, it's one of the most affordable options on this list. But if you want top-tier image quality and advanced stabilization, you may want to look higher on this list. And for the best deals and exclusive coupon codes like Temu, Hostinger, and AliExpress, visit our website, couponoffer.net. At number 4 on our list is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. If you want premium image quality without jumping into full 360-degree cameras, the Ace Pro 2 hits a perfect middle ground. It features a new 1/1.3-inch 8K sensor paired with a Leica Summarit lens, delivering up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range for better highlights, deeper shadows, and balanced footage in challenging light. Yes, it can shoot 8K at 30 frames per second. The more practical feature is 4K at 60 frames per second with active HDR, perfect for real-world action. Insta360 uses a dual AI chip system, one imaging chip dedicated to noise reduction, and a 5nm AI chip for processing. The result is sharper detail, smoother performance, and noticeably better low-light footage compared to previous models. The pure video mode especially stands out for cleaner night footage. For stabilization, flow state stabilization keeps shots smooth during biking, skiing, or handheld vlogging. The 157-degree MegaView FOV gives an immersive look without heavy distortion. For creators, the 2.5-inch flip touchscreen is a big win. It's bright, sharp, and durable, making framing easy even in direct sunlight. Audio quality has also been improved with a new wind guard system and upgraded audio algorithms for clearer sound outdoors. Battery life is solid, offering up to 180 minutes, and fast charging gets you to 80% in just 18 minutes. You also get magnetic mounting, AI auto editing, GPS overlays, gesture control, and reverse charging. However, it's not perfect. Priced around $419 on Amazon, it's significantly more expensive than budget options. Still, if you want near cinematic quality in an action camera, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a powerhouse. But if you're just starting out or shooting casual content, you might not need this much power. At the third spot on our list is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. And this camera is built for creators who want maximum performance without compromise. Let's start with video quality. It records in stunning 5.3K resolution, delivering far more detail than standard 4K. This means sharper footage, cleaner crops, and the ability to pull high-quality 24.7 megapixel photos directly from video. You can also shoot 27 megapixel still photos, giving you professional results in a compact, rugged body. Slow motion is a major highlight. The Hero 13 Black introduces 400 frames per second burst slow-mo in 720p, along with 360 frames per second in 900p and 5.3K at 120 frames per second. Perfect for high-speed sports and cinematic action shots. Stabilization is powered by HyperSmooth 6.0, delivering incredibly steady footage whether you're running, biking, skiing, or mounting it on a vehicle. A major upgrade this year is support for the new HB series lens system. You can attach ultra-wide lenses for immersive POV shots, macro lenses for close-ups, ND filters for natural motion blur, or even an anamorphic lens for cinematic widescreen footage. The camera automatically detects each lens and adjusts settings instantly. For multi-camera creators, wireless timecode sync makes editing in Final Cut Pro or Premiere much faster and easier. You also get 10-bit color with GP log, offering greater flexibility for color grading, plus Wi-Fi 6 for faster transfers and Bluetooth mic support for cleaner audio. The camera is fully waterproof up to 33 feet without a case. Battery life is improved with the new 1900 mAh Enduro battery, delivering up to 2.5 hours of recording. However, there are a few things to consider. The new battery is not compatible with older GoPro models, and some advanced features require a GoPro subscription. Also, once you start adding different lens mods, the total cost can increase quickly. Priced around $329 on Amazon, the GoPro Hero 13 Black remains one of the most powerful, durable, and versatile action cameras of 2026. At the second spot on our list is the Insta360 X5, and this camera completely changes the way you think about action footage. Unlike traditional action cameras, the X5 records everything around you in full 360 degrees. It shoots 8K video at 30 frames per second using dual 1/1.28 inch sensors, delivering outstanding sharpness, rich colors, and impressive dynamic range. A major upgrade is the triple AI chip system. This system significantly improves noise reduction and image processing, especially in low light conditions. The invisible selfie stick effect lets you capture incredible third-person, drone-like shots without seeing the stick. You record everything in 360 degrees, then reframe later using AI tools in the Insta360 app, giving you full creative control after shooting. For faster content creation, Instaframe mode lets you export ready-to-share flat videos instantly. You can enable auto tracking to follow yourself automatically, or lock a fixed angle while still saving the full 360-degree footage for later edits. For stabilization, flow state stabilization and full 360 degrees horizon lock keep footage smooth and perfectly level, even during intense movement. No gimbal required. Durability is another strong point. The X5 features fully replaceable lenses, so if one gets scratched during an adventure, you can swap it out instead of replacing the entire camera. Audio has also been upgraded with a 4-microphone array and an advanced wind guard, delivering clearer voice capture and reduced wind noise for outdoor vlogging. Battery life is strong, with a 2,400 mAh battery, offering up to 185 minutes of recording, plus fast charging to 80% in about 20 minutes. It's also waterproof up to 49 feet without a case. Finally, editing is incredibly simple. With one-tap AI export, you can generate quick clips without manually editing. Or you can let the Insta360 app automatically detect highlights and create dynamic videos for you. Priced around $549 on Amazon, the Insta360 X5 is one of the most powerful and creative action cameras you can buy in 2026. At the top of our list is the DJI Osmo Action 6, and this camera truly delivers everything you'd expect from a modern flagship action camera. Image quality is the first thing that stands out. With a variable aperture from f2.0 to f4.0, it automatically adjusts to different lighting conditions, capturing sharp, well-balanced 4K footage in both bright daylight and low light. It features a large 1/1.1 inch square sensor, improving color accuracy, dynamic range, and clarity. It also supports 8K recording, giving you extra flexibility to crop while maintaining excellent detail. A standout feature is 4K custom mode. Thanks to the square sensor, you can shoot first and reframe later for YouTube, Instagram, or Shorts without losing quality. Stabilization is outstanding. Rocksteady 3.0 smooths out heavy movement, while Horizon Steady keeps the horizon perfectly level even during full rotations, supporting up to 4K at 60 frames per second. Low light performance is impressive with Super Night mode, delivering cleaner 4K/60 frames per second footage after sunset. For creators who color grade, 10-bit D-Log-M preserves highlight and shadow detail with live preview support. For slow motion, you get 4K at 120 frames per second and up to 32 times slow motion at 1080 pixels. Battery life is strong, offering up to 4 hours of recording with reliable performance even in cold conditions. Audio is enhanced with Osmo Audio, allowing direct connection to 2 DJI mic transmitters without a receiver. You also get 50 gigabytes of built-in storage, waterproofing up to 20 meters without a case, dual OLED touchscreens, plus voice and gesture control. Priced around $369 on Amazon, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is one of the most powerful, versatile, and creator-focused action cameras you can buy in 2026, and that's why it earns the #1 spot. Now let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I will reply to your comment. And hey, I put a lot of effort into this video to help you pick the right action camera. So if it helped you even a little, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. It really motivates me to create more helpful content for you. All the Amazon links with the latest pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.